Hi, I'm Frank. I work for PSG Long Island. I'm a meter technician. I'd like to show you the simple, safe, easy process of installing these new smart meters to replace your old standard meter. But what's so smart about a smart meter? It's simple, easy to install, and gives you more convenience and control. By now you have already been notified that you'll be receiving your new smart meter. We'd like to start the installation with a friendly knock on the door, letting you know we are here. We'll also give you some information about the benefits of your new smart meter. If you are not home at the time of the visit, we can go ahead and complete the installation anyway. And if for some reason we can't access your meter, we'll leave you a note to let you know we'll come back in a few weeks to try again. Now let's install your new smart meter. Once I get access to the meter, I want to take a look inside to make sure everything in there is intact before pulling out the old meter. Once I pull out the old meter and I pop in this new one, I want to make sure it's safe and secured properly in that mount. We're going to put the cover on, put your tag on, take your old standard meter away, and it's simple as that. For more information about the benefits of smart meters, visit our website at pscgliny.com/smart. Thanks for watching and have a great day.